Right, it's William jumping, and it's yeah, just a few more minutes before I go to bed. I just have a idea, okay, and I just to get out of the bed and try to write something. You know, I'm a digital artist myself, as well as I develop apps, and it just occurred to me, I really need some like model software that while I'm like doing digital art, I can quickly set the scene and quickly build the characters and all that. So I think maybe I can develop a app that at least for me, hopefully for all the digital artists, that could quickly set the scene and quickly reference and learn the movements and all that. So I want to test whether I can do this by using Godot. Okay, I want to build something in Blender and export it to Godot. I build it on cross-platform for referencing. So that's the idea. And I want to test whether I can do it. Okay, so yeah, let's try this. By the way, this like suddenly got the idea and the right things. It's not technically it's not tutorial. It's more like a development log, and I record things of how I did things, and hopefully explain things, and hopefully can help you guys like inspiration and like trigger inspiration, something like that. Okay, so let's get to it. So I already got yeah, let's create a complete new project. I'm going to test this, say it will be some fun project, okay, experiment, okay, and of Blender model, okay. I want to test the integration and whether I can build it up the platform, okay. So I'm going to create it and quickly get the Godot. So yeah, it's initializing. Okay, looks pretty good. Oh, sorry, I did not share the screen. Okay, something like this. Okay, oh my gosh, I nearly pulled my hair off. Yeah, sorry about that. After a few hours of coding, and I finally got some like the minimal viable products. Okay, let me show you. Okay, let me just run this. And run it out. We got 3D model viewer, okay, and view model. We can load a Blender model. This is test blend model that I created here, okay. I put it inside of the models file, and basically it's just a Suzanne monkey. So you're familiar with Blender. There's a model called Suzanne the monkey, and it's just for testing. And I just put it inside, and you can click and you can load this. And I quickly made a like Blender simulator inside. Hopefully it's helpful. So what I'm gonna do is to make it here. Okay, I get some of the typical thing that when you want to view things. Okay, we got Suzanne. Okay, we got some hint text, and we can go to front view, top view, or side view. And of course you can use number shortcut. I'll also add that. So you can use the front view. So I use the same shortcut as Blender, front, okay, side and top. So 137. You can use both the letter above the letter, use the number above the letter, or use the like small keyboard, like specific number. It will also work. I prefer the small keyboard, but don't forget to unlock. There is a number lock here. Also, I tend to make this like mobile friendly, so I add a button, so you can actually like click and rotate this thing. But you can also click and like rotate it like this, like a freehand rotation. Okay, it's really helpful. And once you move some weird position, you can just the front view and you can snap it back. Okay, front, top, side. Okay, and also I click this toggle axis, So you can get, say for example, you got some position that you really like, and then you can toggle it. Okay, and of course, you can also scroll the wheel to actually zoom in and out. Okay, I love this scroll functionality. You can rotate to a place that you love, and then you can toggle the axis. Okay, so also, yeah, I also got the lighting system ready. So I got this. Yeah, I believe I already introduced you guys the lighting system in my Blender tutorial. By the way, if you do not know what I'm talking about, I also got another channel called Learn Digital Art, where I share my Blender, drawing, Photoshop, all that, digital art, digital photography, all that. Yeah. If you're interested, you can check it out. Okay. So we got the top light system, 3-point light setup, 45 degree split. So it's like something like this. Okay. Butterfly light. Okay. Rembrandt light and bottom light. Okay. It's like for ghost stories. And I maybe zoom out. I also add a light indicator. You know what's going on. Okay. And by the way, I also changed the light rotation. Okay, so I can actually rotate the light as well. So let me go to front view, and I can adjust the whether the light is pretty dark or pretty, and of course I can rotate it using Q and E, so I can actually rotate this. I think this may be more straightforward. Okay, so this way I can actually rotate the light. Okay, so you guys can see rotation. Okay, rotation. Okay, I believe I need to change the hint as well. Right now the hint is not. Yeah, I forgot about that. Sorry. So you can actually rotate to a certain light. So you got like more customization here, and of course you can get some light, different angle, and then boom, you can use this as your reference. Okay, I believe it's a pretty cool thing that I can use this, and of course you can like this is cross platform. Okay, so if it works, it also works on phones, iPhones, Android, and so you can I believe I can use this as a container. Okay, as a container that I can share all my model with you guys, and also I want to focus a little bit on motion capture. So I created a channel a long time ago. I want to act as a model to do the motion capture, and then like rig my model to do all sort of thing and use that for my animation. And I also want to like use this as a container, so all the artists can have access to the resources. Okay, yeah. So this yeah, sorry. There are a lot of code here. So basically, I made mainly main menu and model selection thing. Okay, and inside I got tons of code. Okay, so yeah, all the code here, and so we got this model viewer code here, access, light, all that is pretty messy. Okay, main menu here, access code. Yeah, mainly it's a models model viewer. We got like tons of things right in here. So yeah, we will talk about that later when yeah, have a little bit of sleep. Right now it's like I spend a few hours on this little project. So yeah, yeah. So sorry, yeah. Why is this whole screen's moving? Yeah. So I will see you next video, and I will modify a little bit, and then yeah, maybe test it on different platform. Maybe test it on my phone. Okay, and to see whether it can get like automatically suit different width and height, something like that. Okay, so see you next video. I have a good sleep now because yeah, I just have this in my mind, and I get this minimum viable thing working. Okay, so if you got any suggestions you want, any other things you want me to add this as a like a new feature or something, please leave in the comment section, and sure to add that if I have more time. Okay, so yeah, by the way, this can zoom in and out. Okay, So yeah, I think pretty much it. Thanks, bye.